Hi, good day. I'm Eugene B. Martinez, and today I'm going to tackle the nature or characteristics of the game volleyball, including its dimensions, facilities, and equipments. So in essence, volleyball is a simple game which can be played by anyone at any level. Its worldwide popularity stems from the fact that it can be played almost anywhere, inside a sports hall, or a gymnasium, or outside, on the grass, or even on the sand. All that is needed for a friendly game is a ball and a net or rope to knock the ball over. We all know that, and we all know that every sport has its own characteristics or nature. Volleyball is a sport played by two teams on a playing court divided by a net. The object of the game is to send the ball over the net in order to ground it on the opponent's court and to prevent the same effort by the opponent. And the team has 3 hits for returning the ball. The ball is put in play with a service, hit by the server over the opponent's playing court. The rally continues until the ball is grounded on the playing court of the opponent goes out, or a team fails to return it properly. And each rally wins a point. When the receiving team wins a rally, it gains a point and the right to serve. And its players rotate one position clockwise. So let's talk about the facilities and equipment. And let's start with the court. The court is a place where the game is played. And it has its own dimensions. The sideline, the end line, the height space, the boundary lines, the center line, the zone line, and the free zone that includes indoor and outdoor. So let me tell you the measurement of the court of each dimension. Sideline measures 18 meters long, end line measures 9 meters long, height space measures for at least 7 meters, and then boundary lines and center line has the same measurement of 5 millimeters in width, and zone line measures 3 meters from the center line, and the free zone in indoor measures 2 meter, outdoor measures 3 meters. And in international competition, 5 meters from the sideline and 8 meters from the end line. Next is the net. It has it's called vertical side bands, which measures 1 meter long and 5 centimeters wide. It has also antenna. Antenna is fastened on the outer edge of the vertical side band, extending 80 centimeters above the top of the net. And then the height. The height should be measured on the center of the court. Men and women has different height. 2.43 meters for men and 2.24 meters for women. And then the poles. Poles should be fixed to the playing surface with the height of 2.55 meters with a distance inside line between 0.05 meters to 1 meter. And last but not the least, the important equipment of the game volleyball, and that is the inflated leader ball with a measurement of 65 to 67 centimeters in circumference, weighing between 260 and 280 grams is used. In somewhat it is smaller than the basketball and resembles a soccer ball or a water polo ball size. So that's all for today's video. And always put in mind that success is how high you bounce when you hit bottom. So serve hard, serve strong, dig fierce, and strike hard. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.